681 multiplied by 34. In the columns, don't forget your place value. 681 multiplied by 34. Notice how I have put the numbers in their correct columns. So by that I mean I've put the 1 and the 4 in the units column and the 8 and the 3 in the tens column. Now I'm going to color code to make things a little easier to follow. So I'm going to multiply by the units and use blue for that. And when I multiply by the tens, I'm going to use orange. So starting with the units, working right to left, 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 8 is 32, so I'll put down my 2, carry my 3. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 3 that I carried is 27. So now I have an answer. 681 multiplied by 4 is 2,724. Now to multiply by the 30. First thing to do is put in the placeholder 0 in the units column, because I'm multiplying by 30, so therefore I don't need the units column. Again, right to left, 3 times 1 is 3, put down that 3. 3 times 8 is 24, put down your 4, carry your 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So I now have an answer to 681 times 30, 20,430. All that remains is to add up the two parts of my sum. 4 times 0 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 7 plus 4 is 11, so I'll put down 1 and carry 1, 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3, leaves me just with a 2. So my final answer to 681 multiplied by 34 is 23,154. I'm going to do a second example. Let's have 409 multiplied by 29. Once again, I must make sure that I put these in the correct columns based on their place value. So I have 409 on top. Underneath that I've got 29. So the units are underneath each other, the tens are underneath each other. I'm going to again use my color coding. So I'm going to do the units in blue, I'm going to do the tens in orange, starting with the units, right to left. 9 times 9 is 81, so I'll put down 1, carry 8. 9 times 0 is 0, plus the 8 I carried is just 8. And then 9 times 4 is 36. There we go. So the answer to 409 times 9 is 3,681. Now for the multiplying by 20. Put the 0 in the units column as a placeholder, don't forget. 2 times 9 is 18, right to left of course, so I'll put down 8, carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus the 1 I carried, 1. 2 times 4 is 8. And now I have to add them up. So I have 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 8 is 16, put down the 6. Carry a 1. 6 plus 1 plus the extra 1 that I carried is 8. Nothing to carry there. 3 and 8 is 11. So the answer to 409 multiplied by 29 is 11,861.